Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in today's single topic video, students, we are discussing about an exercise that is by the name RIMPAC. What does this RIMPAC stands for? Rim of the Pacific. Why this exercise is conducted? What is the main aim of this RIMPAC exercise, right? And which all nations take part in this exercise? So Rim of Pacific, right? This exercise, as the name suggests, is to enhance the readiness and trust between the naval and military forces of the friendly nations, correct? And also to promote free, open and stable Indo-Pacific region, right? Hence RIMPAC, Rim of the Pacific, right students? So promote stability, openness, freeness, correct, in the Indo-Pacific region. This exercise is being held. Now next question can be asked here is that who hosts this exercise? So it is hosted by the US Navy fleet, right? US Navy's Pacific Fleet hosted this multinational exercise. This will foster cooperation, relationship and mutual understanding among the friendly nation. Also, here you will be seeing that this exercise was held at the joint base Pearl Harbor, Highcam of Hawaii, USA. This is the location where this particular exercise was held. So RIMPAC 26 is being held from 24th of June to 31st of July as a 5-week multinational maritime warfare exercise, students. Then there is a theme for this edition, and one more thing, this is the 30th edition of this exercise that you need to remember. The theme here is Partners, Integrated and Prepared, highlights collective defense readiness, interoperability and shared commitments to a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific. Here if we see, over 30 surface warships and 5 submarines took part in this exercise, and 15 national land forces, more than 206 aircrafts and 30,000 personals will train and operate in around the Hawaiian Islands for this exercise. Multi-ship task force will conduct advanced anti-submarine warfare, coordinated air defense operations and tactical missile exercise in order to prepare themselves for the stability and peaceful Indo-Pacific region. So this is the 30th edition of this RIMPAC exercise that was recently hosted by the US Navy Pacific Fleet. It was held where? It was held in Hawaii, USA. And Indian Navy here took part in this exercise. Apart from this, students, some other exercise if we look at is Pragati, multilateral army exercise that was held in Umroi, Meghalaya, where India and 12 partner nations took part in the exercise. Then Dharma Guardian, a bilateral exercise held between India and Japan. Then is Equivalent, the 13th edition of this joint military drill conducted between India and the Maldives. Then Varuna exercise, the 23rd edition of this bilateral exercise held between India and France, location Arabian Sea. Next, Mitra Shakti exercise, a bilateral military training exercise conducted annually between the armies of India and Sri Lanka. Then Yudh Abhyas, an exercise between India and USA that will enhance the combat readiness. Then Malabar exercise, a multilateral naval drill held between the Quad nations. What are Quad nations? India, USA, Japan and Australia. These are the 4 nations that are the Quad nations in order to enhance the security in the Indo-Pacific region, right? To counter the China measure here basically. Then Vayu Shakti exercise. This is a triennial firepower exercise conducted between the 3 forces, correct? And it is conducted by Indian Air Force. So these are certain other exercises that you definitely need to know about. So this was your topic for the day, students, and we'll make sure to bring one topic daily for you that will enhance your preparation.